In SEO, people often confuse the title tag with H1 tag. While they are related, they serve different purposes. Today, I will explain the key differences, why each is important, and how to use them correctly. A title tag is an HTML element that defines the title of a web page. It appears in search engine results and at the top of your browser tab. Its main purpose is to tell search engines and users what the page is all about. An H1 tag is the main heading inside the web page content. It tells visitors the primary topic of the page. Think of it like the title printed at top of a blog post or article. The title tag is placed in the head section of your HTML code, while the H1 tag is placed in the body section visible to readers. Users see the title tag in search results and browser tabs. The H1 tag appears directly on the page, usually as the largest, boldest text. The title tag is crucial for click-through rate from search results. A well-written title can attract more visitors by clearly matching their search intent. The H1 tag helps structure your content and signals to search engine the main topic of the page. It also improves readability for visitors. Your title tag and H1 tag can be the same or slightly different. The key is to make both descriptive, relevant, and keyword-rich without being repetitive. Keep your title tag under 60 characters, include your main keyword, and make it appealing so users click on it in search results. Have only one H1 tag per page. Place it at the top of your main content and ensure it clearly states what the page is about. The title tag and H1 tag works together to improve SEO. The title tag attracts users from search results and the H1 tag engages them once they land on your page. Now you know the difference between the title tag and H1 tag. Apply these best practices to boost your rankings and user experience. If this video helped you, kindly like, share, and subscribe for more SEO tips.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.